Plank is an abdominal exercise that builds core strength and stability. It is an effective way to stimulate your core muscles and gain maximum benefits from your time spent working out. Fitness experts recommend to sustain a proper planking position for 5 minutes. But if you are a beginner, feel free to maintain it at a shorter time period. In this video, let's see benefits of planking every day. Reduces belly fat. Plank is one of the best calorie-burning exercise. It helps to burn fat rapidly, largely because it can engage multiple muscles at once, boosting the metabolic rate. Elbow planks targets your core muscles, helping get rid of belly fat. The plank is one of the best exercises for a flat, toned stomach because it works all the muscles in your core. Increase flexibility. Planks make your posterior muscle groups, not just your glutes, but all of the muscle groups in the back of your body much more flexible. Planks are a great way to stretch out the lower half of your body. Flexibility is a key benefit of doing planks regularly, as this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle. Improves metabolism. Planks are great for improving your body's metabolism by building your core muscle groups, which are some of the largest in the body. Having healthy, strong muscles means that your body is constantly burning more energy, and in turn, it becomes less able to store calories in the form of fat. Doing plank daily will keep your metabolic rate high. Strengthens core. A plank exercise is the best exercise to strengthen your core and abdomen. The plank helps develop strength in the core, shoulders, arms, and glutes. To build core strength and stability, do planks at least 2 to 3 times a week. When you do planks, you engage your core muscles and glutes and it strengthens them. Improves posture and balance. Planking exercise improves your body posture by strengthening your back, neck, chest, shoulder and abdominal muscles. The exercise targets muscles in the lower and upper back that assist with posture. If you do the plank every day, your posture improves and your back will be straight. The body uses its core muscles to help maintain balance. Reduce stress level. Exercise releases endorphins that reduce the feeling of pain in the body. This helps boost mood and relieve stress. Planks not only calm your brain, but they can also treat anxiety and symptoms of depression. Planks tighten the core muscles, teaching them to withstand stress. Improves mood. While exercise in general has mood-boosting powers, planks help in the release of muscle stiffness, which releases stress and helps in the elevation of mood. After planks, you feel loosening of your muscles, which relaxes your body and mind. Reduce back pain. Planks work on strengthening your core. They automatically work on taking the stress off your back by taking the load away from them. The plank is highly effective at activating the muscles responsible for spine stabilization, which can also help alleviate back pain. The benefits of planks are endless. Clinical research has proven that exercise can directly help with conditions like anxiety, depression, stress, and more. Lastly, remember to stay hydrated, especially when you are working out. Before starting to follow any workout or dietary plans, please consult a health specialist.